Hey everyone. So in this module, we will learn about introduction to SEO and organic reach. So in our previous module, we have seen fundamental of digital marketing, and we have also learned about the structure of the website, how good a website should look like, and what are the aspects or what are the elements that should be implemented to have a proper website. Now, once you have a website, we need to understand that we cannot drive traffic on a website just like that. So, to run traffic on the website, we need to do something in the backend, which is called as SEO. Now, what is SEO? SEO in full form, it is called as search engine optimization. It is identified as a practice that assists the visitors or users on search engines to find relevant answers to their queries. For example, I am having a query, right? Like uh, I want to see a best restaurant near me, or let's say I want to check out uh, best Italian restaurant near me. So I will visit a search engine. In my case, the search engine would be Google, right? I will just visit on the Google and type best Italian restaurant near me, and I'll get the queries. I'll get the answers to my queries. So SEO focuses on enhancing the quality of the website content based on the incorporation of the effective keywords that we are using on the website, right? And it enhances the visibility of the same to the search engine users, right? Now, let's say I have put one keyword on my website which says that this is the best Italian website in this particular city. Let's say best Italian restaurant in Hyderabad, right? So if anyone search along with that keyword, best restaurant, best Italian restaurant in Hyderabad, you'll get to see that particular website wherein the keyword is there, the same keyword is mentioned on that particular website, right? Now, SEO is also considered to be used as a shorthand in terms of carrying out different activities associated to web marketing. It is also recognized as an effective way for promoting the business over the website. Likewise, the practice of SEO focuses on providing quality information and services that the business institutions finds needful to be searched by the users based on the application of relevant keywords. So, SEO becomes a very important aspect when it comes to driving traffic on the website. So in this module, Uh, we will also learn about various aspects of SEO. Uh, you can see the table of content. We will learn about fundamentals of search engine, or you can say the fundamental of uh, SEO. I have already told you what is SEO, but I'll repeat it again. What are keywords, meta tags, and site structure? What is on-page and off-page SEO? Difference between on-page and off-page? Backlinks and domain authority. Then we will learn about the Google Search Console setup, and we will learn about one tool named Yoast SEO, right? So let's move ahead. So as I told you, SEO allows businesses to drive qualified traffic without spending directly on ads, making it very cost effective. in terms of growth strategy, it is very, very important to remember that SEO is not a set and forget tactics. Once we start doing SEO for any website, we should keep doing SEO. If we are stopping doing SEO by any mean, the rank of the website will get again decreased, right? So it is very, very important that we keep on doing SEO for any website to get it ranked on search engine. Now, this module will definitely guide you through crucial components, empowering you enhance your organic reach effectively. Now, as I already told you, let me repeat it again. SEO is the practice of optimizing a website to rank higher on search engine results pages, which is called as SERPs in short form, without any kind of paid activities or paid advertisement, right? So, what are SERPs? SERPs are nothing but the Google's cut. So, what is SERPs? SERPs are nothing but search engine result pages or a engine wherein you will be displayed with all the results which a unique user puts up on a search engines platforms like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Now, what are the key benefits of SEO? Why SEO matters a lot, right? So, SEO increases organic traffic, it improves credibility and user trust, it boosts long-term visibility, right? And also, we need to understand, like, we need to think that when we might have googled something last, right, and then whatever results that we have received on Google first page, when did we you know visited the second page to search any particular keyword that we have asked for on Google, right? So it is very, very important that we rank our website on the first page of search engines, that is Google or Bing, let's say. Now, in terms of SEO, the very, very important aspect is keyword research. We can create website, we can create any content on the website, but then we always need to keep user in our mind, right? So we need, when I say user in our mind, it makes you understand that as a marketer you need to target users mind, right? So a user, what a user would be searching for, that you need to analyze, right? So identify what customer or user search terms. So as I told you, like, uh, if I am in a new city, let's say if I am in a Hyderabad, I will look for you know um, related things. For example, I want to see Hyderabad, right? I want to visit the tourist destinations in Hyderabad. So I will look for the places to visit. For that, what I'll do, I'll visit Google, I'll open Google on my phone, and I'll put this relevant keyword like locations to visit in Hyderabad or tourist destinations in Hyderabad, areas to visit in Hyderabad. If I put such keywords, Google will give me the results of the websites which might be having these keywords included in their website, right? So it's very, very important that we put all such keywords on our website so that it ranks on top of Google search engine. So identify customers search terms is very, very important in this case. Next, we need to use powerful tools like Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a tool basically which helps to find the keywords that users are looking for. Similarly, SEMrush is another tool. It is a paid tool specifically, but it has a free version too. SEMrush also helps users to find out a keyword that might be required for your website. And then there is Ahref is also a tool. Ahref helps uncover popular and relevant keywords. So these are the useful tools which are used to do keyword research. Now we as a user or as a marketer, we need to focus on long tail keywords. So we have different types of keyword which we will see next in the next slide. So understand this thing. What is a long tail keyword? So uh, so long tail you might have got by the name itself that I want, let's say, if I want a service or if I want a product, I will put those product or I'll put those keywords on my website so that a user will be, visiting the website which is having the same keyword that I am looking for as a user, right? Now, long tail keywords like vegan cupcakes near me target specific intent of a user which might get you the improved conversion rates. So, what I'll do, I'll search vegan cupcakes near me. I might be interested as a user, I might be interested to purchase that vegan cupcakes, right? So, it will again turn into sales, which we call in our sense, it is known as conversion, and hence improving the conversion rates. These are the different types of keywords. We have more than these kind of keywords, but then these four important, or we can say these are the four important types of keywords that we need to keep in mind while creating any kind of content for our website. So let's start. Um, there are four. I mean, there are more than four, but you need to understand these four, and accordingly we can create any kind of content further for our further assessments or assignments. Now first is informational keyword. So basically, as a user, if I'm looking for any kind of information on particular thing, let's say if I am looking for uh, you know I wanted to see how much calories do I need to intake for a overall day, right? So it becomes an informational keyword for me, and Google understand these things through their own knowledge base, right? The knowledge base in terms of Google is nothing but the websites which might be having all kinds of keywords that a user is looking for, right? Now, let's say if a searchers want to gain knowledge about a particular topic, then these kind of keywords are called as informational keywords. For example, if I'm looking for calories in a coffee, right? I'll search coffee calories, or what is the difference between cold brew and iced coffee, right? So this is an example of informational keywords. Next is navigational keywords. Now, search is going to find a specific website or page, right? Through the certain, examples of this keywords are YouTube, or let's say I'm looking for YouTube, or I'm looking for a SEMrush blog. So this kind of keywords will act as a navigational keywords. Then comes commercial keywords. Now, what are commercial keywords? Searchers want to research brands, products, or services. Now these becomes a commercial keywords. Now let's say I'll give you an example. For example, I am looking for sneakers, let's say, but I know the brand, which brand sneakers I am looking for. I'll put that brand name and then put sneakers after that, right? For example, I need sneaker for Adidas brand, so I'll put Adidas sneakers. It will give me all the sneakers, listed on Adidas website. So using this particular keyword, which is known as commercial keywords, I know the brand, I know the keywords, and hence I'll reaching out to their website with this keywords. Next is transactional keywords. Searchers want to take certain action, want to complete some kind of action, like I want to purchase some or the other product or services. In that case, I'll just type, for example, buy crypto online. I want to purchase crypto coins. I might be looking for, having sandwich near me, right, which delivers to my address. I might, put this particular keyword, and might be Zomato's or Swiggy's website can come on top, right? So these are called as transactional keywords, which also we need to keep in mind. Now, on page SEO, or you can say how we can optimize our website using the tactics called on page SEO. Now, I'll tell you about all these jargons, but then I would like to showcase even, right? So let me show you one screen wherein I'll show you what are these terminologies. So first, let's see the terminologies first, and then let's go ahead with the terminologies, and then I would like to showcase these terminologies on Google, right? So let's say what is on-page SEO. On-page SEO is nothing but doing some of the other things using the content specifically on a particular website. Now, for doing on-page SEO, title tags are very, very important. Now, I'll show you what is title tags. After this, let me finish it first. Now, title tags includes your primary keywords under 60 characters for clear relevance. For example, if I am looking for best vegan cupcakes, right? Or let's say I know the bakery name, I'll just put the bakery name, right? So these are known as title tags. Or you can say the links, specifically when we search anything on Google, it gives us link. Those links are in blue color. Those are nothing but the title tags. Then there is something called meta description. So we need to make sure that we put all the keywords on the title tags and even on our meta description, right? Meta description are nothing but concise summaries under 160 characters that entice clicks. Now these are the small 160 characters. I mean 160 characters should be there in meta description. It is the ideal length, and it entices the clicks. That means we put all the keywords which are very, very important for our website, and then we make sure that people are searching all those keywords and getting results on those keywords as a website details on the Google search engine. Now header tags and alt text, image alt text, right? So there are certain header which is which starts from H1, which is header 1 to header 6 to structure the website content naturally or incorporating keywords accordingly. So header tags are very, very important. We need to make sure that we are putting H1 tags, we are putting H2 tags, we are putting H3 tags, and so on, right? Now, it is also very important that if we are putting any image on the website in the backend, we need to make sure that we write the image's name properly. It should not be any kind of random image that we save, right? We should name the image as per the depicting emotions of that particular image, right? Now, let me show you the online version of these jargons that I have told you. So I hope it is visible. Now, I have just put a keyword already and I was showing you all these things. So let me put a keyword in front of you itself. Let's say I'm looking for the keyword uh, digital marketing institutes in Hyderabad, right? If I'm putting this particular keyword, this Google search engine is giving me results. You can see some of the uh, links specifically are coming under sponsored. That means they are running ads. So whichever links coming under sponsor, you need to understand that this is nothing but search engine marketing, or we can say PPC ads, Google ads, you can say. Now, if you see and then if you come across these sponsored ads, we'll get to see the places. Here you can see the website, then you can see the web trainings. I mean, website of some uh, highly ranked websites of digital marketing institutes, right? And then the right hand side and the left hand side, you'll be able to see the map. If you scroll down, you'll get to see the first link which is coming on top in terms of SEO, right? Now you can see this is the title tag, right? So the title tag is very, very important, wherein they have also put all the keywords here, like digital marketing course training in Hyderabad. The keywords that I have put in here, right? And then this particular line is nothing but the meta description, right? I hope you understood. Similarly, here also you can see this is the title tag, and then this is the meta description, right? So I hope it is clear.